Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your WordPress dashboard feels cluttered or you're tired of scrolling through endless posts on one page, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to limit the number of items displayed per page in WordPress, the easy, updated way. This trick will not only make your workflow smoother, but also help you manage your content more efficiently. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress site. Click on Login in the top right corner. If you've connected your site to Google, you can simply use Google Authentication to log in instantly. No need to remember passwords. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to make a quick but powerful change. Now, on the left-hand menu, click on Posts. This is where all your published and draft content is listed. If you have tons of posts, this section can look overwhelming. And that's exactly why we're going to limit how many show up per page. Look at the very top right corner of your WordPress dashboard. You'll see a small tab called Screen Options. Click it, and a panel will slide down. Here, you'll find a field labeled Number of Items per Page. By default, this might be set to something like 20. You can simply change it to any number you prefer, maybe 10 or even 5 if you want a cleaner view. Once you've entered your preferred number, click the Apply button. Now, your post list will instantly refresh and you'll see fewer items displayed per page. You can scroll through pages more easily and your dashboard will look much more organized. If you ever want to adjust it again, just repeat the same steps. Super simple. And that's it. You've just learned how to limit the number of items per page in WordPress. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in keeping your workspace neat and manageable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss future WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.